we introduce how to install this gear shift. This is for Model 3 Highland. Remove this black cover, and then remove the bulk here. Before remove the black button, please leave this white one here. And then you remove this black cover. After remove this black cover, remove these connectors. Remove the covers on door panel, and then connect the power cable and the data cables here. You make sure you to insert correctly. And then we can hide the cable under the cover to the steering wheel. And then you put this wire under the wireless chargers. Then make sure that it's hiding, that it's okay. And then we remove this stereo. We use the tools and press here the 2 points here, and then we take air back out. Then remove these connectors carefully. You need to make sure that there's no damage here. And remove this connector too. Still pay attention to no damage. When you remove this stereo wheel, it's better to have 2 persons. After you remove the stereo, you make sure the screws here safe position in case it is job done. If it is job done, Tesla will have a big warranty cases. And remove this upper cover. And let us remove the 2 screws. Then ready to remove the cover under the stereo. Remove this black cover. And connect the cables from the upper one to the stereo wheel. They're ready for connections on the gear switch. After you take the cables, go up and connect the stereo gear shift here, touch it, and we use another side, cut it down, and insert it, and then make the screws tightly, and here also tightly, and then put on the steering wheel. Sorry, we need to connect the cables on here. And make sure it's plugged correctly, and put on the stereo the right position of this side, right? And then we connect the other side, the left side of the stereo gear switch. And for these 2 parts, we need to put down, one put up and another down. Then we make the screws tightly here. And then we plug these connectors to the left side of the gear switch. Now, and fix the cables and cut this, and then screws tightly. The screws make the screws tightly and cover this cover on the. So if you need to remove these buttons and put on this cover, and then cover back to the steering. So it is easy to install this gear switch, and we keep these 2 parts on each side. And then we check all the details where that is fixed well, and then we take the tape from here, then install the steering wheel back. You need to make sure all screws tightly and pull this airbag into the steering wheel. This is easy installations, and pull the cables back, and the installation is successfully.